Right, so just because it's not hot enough, we're here in the kitchen and cooking. The reason being is we've got Helen, Andy and Bob coming round for dinner this evening, so we're always up their place for dinner, so we thought time we return the favour and invite them round for dinner. 30 odd degrees outside and we're in the kitchen slaving away doing slow braised short rib of beef. Now just to show you the difference, that's one short rib of beef, yeah, and that's the other. So someone's going to be really well fed tonight and some of us are going to be going hungry because of the size difference in the meat. I'm sure it'll all taste very good though. Okay, now we're going in with the good stuff. One whole bottle of red wine. Right, I'm not saying it's warm or anything today, but these stock pots, so these are like the jellified ones. They're just pure liquid, yeah? That should be a solid mass, but it's not, it's just pure liquid. It's that hot, even the chickens are laying hard-boiled eggs. So guys, that's the Brits living in Spain. Confession to make, we've only got Leon Perrins. Sorry, no hendos in this kitchen at the moment. Plenty of pepper. Right, my head. Right. Now all the sauce is ready. Back in with the meat. Someone's eating well tonight. Now, into the oven. Three and a half hours.